Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Following that, you need to download this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. To access settings, click on the bottom right one and tap on them at the top. Finally, choose I accept in First Things First pop-up and manage all of those options however you want to. Then click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and choose one of those options. In my case, home screen only. So when I do that and close Magic Fluids app, as you can see, wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!